Would you like to learn how to make some delicious honey garlic air fried salmon just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Let's get started by making the honey garlic glaze for the salmon. This is my little hack to get the baggie to stand up straight. I'm going in with some melted butter and some garlic paste. You can use fresh if you like. The exact ingredient list, the measurements and such will be in the description box below. And then I'm going to add in some honey as well as this salmon seasoning. That stuff is really good on salmon. I get it from Amazon. After the salmon seasoning, I'm going to add in some ASIL, which is my own all-purpose seasoning. You can grab you some with the link pinned in the comments section, but if you don't have it, just use some seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. Or white pepper, which I'm using here. We're also going to need some soy sauce to give the salmon that yummy umami flavor. Now I'm going to give all of the seasoning a good old shake, shake, shake. Now I'm going to add the salmon to the baggie, and once I get it in there, then I'm going to shake it all up some more. Get all of the seasonings all over the salmon. It's best to let the salmon marinate overnight, but if you don't have that type of time, it'll be alright. I'm going to be making the salmon in my air fryer oven, and I'm going to be using my grill plate. But if you don't have an air fryer oven, you can just pop the salmon right on in your air fryer basket. Just pop some lemon underneath the salmon for added flavor. Oh, I forgot to mention that I also squeezed some fresh lemon juice on the salmon before putting it in the baggie. My salmon happens to be skinless, by the way. I got it from the store that way. We're going to air fry the salmon at 380 degrees for 6 minutes. And after 6 minutes, we're going to take it out and add some more glaze to the salmon, just like so. And then we're going to pop it back in the air fryer for another 6 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees. And then after that, it's done.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling. But when I'm in the kitchen, don't know what I'm doing, stumbling. It's time I try.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. This air-fried honey garlic salmon was the bomb.com. Stop playing and go on and make you some now. And you can thank me later. Well, I hope you like the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Make sure you like and subscribe. And you make that food so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. And you make that food so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.